The process in which water changes into water vapor. Water vapor is light and rise up into the sky. Water vapor is light in weight and rise up into the sky. When water vapor reaches high up in the sky, when this water vapor reaches in the sky, it cool down to form water drops. It cool down to form water drops. It cool down. How can water vapor? Do you know how can water vapor cool? Due to the presence of a tree in mountain. The water drops come together to form clouds. These water drops come together and form clouds. The cooling of water drops in the cloud is called condensation. The cooling of water drops. Which water drops? Evaporation. Water drops in the cloud is called condensation. Now, condensation is the process in which the water droplets. Condensation is a process in which the water vapor change into water. When the water drops in the cloud become too heavy to remain in the air, when water drops, condensation here, the water vapor change into the water. When water drops in the cloud became too heavy to remain in the air, they fall down as a rain. These water fall down into the rain. Snow or hail depending on the climate of the places. Snowfall or hail fall depending on the climate of the places. The water that fall as a rain or snow get collected in the ocean. These water which fall as rain or snow get collected in the ocean, seas, lakes, river and ponds again. When the sun shine and heat up the water, the cycle continue. The cyclic movement of water is called water cycle. This is your water cycle. First, the water change into the water vapor. This process is called evaporation. When water vapors cool down to form the water droplets, this means that water vapor change into the water again. This is called the condensation. When water drops in the cloud became too heavy to remain in the in air, they fall down as a rain. Then again these rains can be collected in ocean, seas, river, ponds, etc. When the sun shines and heated up the water cycle, the water, this is continuous process. The water change into the water cycle. The cyclic movement of the water is called water cycle. Now next topic is weather. The condition of air around us at a particular time is known as the weather. Condition of air around us at a particular time is known as weather. Weather can be changed from sunny, windy, cloudy or rainy. Weather can be changes from sunny, windy, cloudy or rainy. Nature is called the water cycle. Effect of sun on weather. During the sunny days, morning and evening are cooler. During sunny days, morning and evening are cooler. At noon, the sun is right above our head and its rays fall directly on us. This makes noon the hottest time of the day. When at noon the sun is right above our head, its rays fall directly on us. This makes the noon the hottest time of the day. Now we will discuss next effect of the wind on weather. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.